What's going on today, explorers, and welcome to my channel, Backwards Bees TV. Let's just get into the video today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a ghost detector. Now, I don't do very many ghost hunting videos on this channel because I haven't had a ghost detector. I also don't have a night vision camera yet, so I'm saving up money for that. But I've seen other people use these, and I wanted to get one too just for myself to make my ghost hunting videos more interesting, or just allow me to be able to ghost hunt. So I basically searched this on Google, ghost detector. I think this is called a K2 or an EMF meter. But I got this from Ghost Stop. You can find it at ghoststop.com. I think they're about $60. So anyways, let's just open it. The ghost detector unboxing. The K2 EMF meter, EMF, not EMP. Some, oh cool. Comes with a Ghost Stop pen they sent me. Oh no, this is a Ghost Stop light, huh? Oh, there it goes. You gotta click it. Oh, so I got a Ghost Stop light. What is this side? This side's squishy. Comes with a keychain. Hopefully it comes with batteries. The K2 EMF meter. There it is. All right. Oh, whoa, it works. It's on. So far, we are detecting no ghosts. All right, it comes with batteries already installed. Read the instructions. You guys ever read the instructions, or you just throw them out? I usually never read the instructions. What is an EMF? Electromagnetic fields. Emissions are created whenever electrical power. Strength of the EMFs can be varied and measured by this K2 EMF meter. Right there. Why measure EMF? EMF emissions are recognized as environmental agent that are a potential threat to public health. Okay, but this doesn't say nothing about ghosts. How do we know how strong the ghost is according to the EMF? We're gonna go up to Virginia City and we're gonna check this out and see if we can get any frequencies up in one of the most famous ghost towns in the world. So stay tuned. All right, what is up, guys? So we're at Joe's restaurant right now. This is kind of a new, or not a new place, obviously, but it's owned by new owners than it was last year. I don't remember what it's called, but we got the ghost meter on and looking for ghosts. No activity yet. But we're gonna go walk around for a little bit and see if we can get any activity from the ghost meter. No ghosts around here. Alrighty guys, so now I am in the Bucket of Blood Saloon. Still not getting any readings. Maybe because it's daytime, you know, I don't think ghosts really come out during the daytime. But, oh, got a little bit of a flash there, a little flicker. But so far, nothing yet. I'll let you know if something comes in. By my side, if you love me, you are able to give me a clue.
What I like is there's a certification certificate. Yeah.
All right, so we are in the Red Dog Saloon, and we have been getting a lot of strong activity since we walked in here. We walked in all these other bars and didn't get any activity, but now we're getting steady activity in the Red Dog. This is what it looks like in here. Pretty cool, huh? Alrighty guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you like exploring videos or any kind of videos like that involving the outdoors or hikes or traveling or anything like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next adventure. It's coming next weekend, so you might as well subscribe so you can check it out. And I love you, and I'll see you out there.